Alright, good everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, I'm bringing another Ottocast wireless CarPlay. I did one a little while ago. It was quite a bit larger one. This one here, basically like a mini computer. This one here, I believe, is for the more simpler types like myself who just want wireless CarPlay, not a whole bunch of other apps. Apologize for my dirty hands. I'm just doing oil change and maintenance on the truck. It's that time, and I figured might as well install this in. So this is what we got. The old tiny unit, on-off button, USB-C adapter. I'm just gonna plug that in. I got full-time power. I don't know what's on or off. Looks like we're flashing. Let's go into my phone. Yeah, I got it up there. So now this is perfect. I am connected. It's lit up blue. So now if I turn it off, let me open up my door. Let's go back on. Yeah, it just automatically comes up, which is exactly what I want. None of this other stuff. Just want to show you the CarPlay in action. When I first got it and the first time I used it, I did have some issues with some lagging, but that wasn't an issue with the CarPlay device. Once I reset my phone, I didn't have any issues with lagging. As you can clearly see here, I'm driving. It's working 100% perfect. And it makes it simple because I no longer need to have the cable connected unless I want to charge my phone. And of course with CarPlay, you have all your other apps and it functions as if a wireless CarPlay should work. So is it worth it? I think it's great. I like this one better than the other one because I don't want a whole computer system. I just like the basic CarPlay that I can just plug into. There's no map right now because there's no internet where I am. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you're looking for something simple, here it is. Here, the Ottocast Mini Pico. It's going to say Pro, but I guess it's Pico. And it's a lot smaller than this big computer-like device, all depending on what you're looking for. I just like the basic CarPlay. I just leave it unplugged because, like I say, my port is full-time power, and I don't like to have the additional battery drain, so I just leave it unplugged and put it in there and plug it in when I need to use it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.